Hi, I'm Billy Wilson. We're here at Rage at the River testing out our brand new Jimco trophy truck. It's got about an hour on it so far. Seems to be doing pretty well. We've been doing a little fine tuning, testing with King shocks and
Side out? Yeah.
first race at Rage at the River. We're sitting possibly second, maybe third, not too sure. We'll find out a little bit later, but just brand new truck. It's first race, third time driving, so it's pretty well built straight out of the box, brand new Jimco, and we were able to maintain a race pace and have no issues. Yep, ready to race tomorrow, no problem. We'll put some new tires on it and get it going. Big hole, truck stayed flat, just kept going, throttle through.
So, how's the steering? Our stop looks like it's doing everything it's supposed to be doing. Barely just kissing it. Right, I'm Mike Juleson. I'm president of Jimco Racing. Jimco was founded in 1975 by my father, Jim, which is where the Jimco came from. And I basically took over the company in 1990. We've been building race cars and race trucks and Dakar type vehicles ever since. Very, very proud of our company. We've got more championships and more wins than any builder out there, and it's been really good. I'm really happy with this new truck that we've just done for Billy Wilson and West Beverly, and I'm very thankful for the opportunity that they gave us to do this for them. We had an absolute exceptional day yesterday, getting second in the first time Billy's drove the truck. And we're going to go out today and we're going to try to win this thing.
Give me a good location between what checkpoints?
We're running pretty strong. Ended up getting a flat tire, put us behind in the third. Not as clean of a day as yesterday, but I'll take a third if it goes that way. First race out on the trophy truck, first time ever driving a trophy.